Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious French toast without cinnamon. First, gather your ingredients: 4 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and a tablespoon of sugar. Whisk these together in a shallow dish until the mixture is smooth and slightly frothy. This creates the perfect base for soaking your bread, ensuring a rich and flavorful result. Next, choose a good quality, thick-cut bread like brioche or challah for the best texture. Gently dip each slice of bread into your prepared batter, allowing it to soak for about 10 to 15 seconds per side. Be careful not to over-soak, as this can make your French toast soggy. You want the bread to absorb enough batter to be flavorful, but still hold its shape. Now it's time to cook your French toast. Heat a non-stick griddle or large skillet over medium heat, then add about 1 tablespoon of butter or a neutral oil. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, place your soaked bread slices onto the hot surface. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until each piece is beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Finally, serve your cinnamon-free French toast immediately while it's warm. You can top it with a variety of delicious additions. Fresh berries, sliced bananas, and a drizzle of pure maple syrup are classic choices. For an extra treat, sprinkle with powdered sugar or add a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy your perfectly prepared, flavorful French toast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.